What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, had another company hit me up, said, hey, would you test this battery in a golf cart? Tell us whether you like it or not. I said, sure. So this is going to be a CHINS 48 volt battery. I'll place a link in the description where you can find these right here at. I have not opened it just yet, so we're going to open it together on camera. All right, so this box is blank all the way around it. It doesn't show which side is up or down, so we're going to run with this side right here being up. We'll open it together. That's what I like about these review videos. I try to make them as authentic as possible. You've seen it for the first time. I'm seeing it for the first time. Battery's upside down here. We're going to take these grab handles. What was included in the box is the battery itself. You got a owner's manual. You also have another instruction manual here as well. I think this right here is showing you which app to download off of your smartphone. You have some bolts and you have some caps as well. These caps are kind of like a thumb cap here. You can just place them onto the bolt there and tighten them down with your thumb. They're probably there also for safety measures, and then once you get it installed into your golf cart, then you could put the caps on, but I would highly recommend using either a Phillips head screwdriver or a 13mm socket to tighten them down. Let's go over the product manual here. We're going to go over this right here together. First time I'm seeing it as well, but so basically this is going to go over pretty much all of their batteries. They show the Bluetooth modules. They show the regular ones without Bluetooth modules. They list a little bit about the company profile, product schematics, accessories, stuff like that. It shows you schematics of different battery configurations as well. So on the smart 48 volt 100 amp hour battery, which is this battery right here, it says it's a smart 51.2 volts. So that means it has a Bluetooth BMS system. Nominal voltage is 51.2 volts. The charge voltage, the range needs to be between 56.8 volts and 58.4 volts. The cycle life says 2,000 cycles at 100% DOD and up to 5,000 cycles at 80%. The weight is saying 87 pounds or 39.5 kilograms. Energy is 5,120 watt hours. Max continuous charging current for charging 50 amps. Max continuous discharging is 100 amps max. You got the max load inverter is 5120 on the watts. Operating temperature to charge it needs to be between -4 and 122 degrees Fahrenheit. To discharge it, -4 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. In storage, between 14 degrees Fahrenheit and 122 degrees Fahrenheit. And the dimensions down here are saying 20.47 by 10.59 times 8.66. Let's put our measurements on that and let's see if that's really the case here. So we've got a tape measure in. It's saying length is going to be just under 20.5 inches wide. And I believe that's going to be the case because they're going all the way out here to the furthest part. So they're, about 20.5 inches wide or long. The width is 10.59. 8.66 is going to be the height, but that's only to the height of the top of the case here and not to the height of the top of the terminal. So just note that. Now, inside the battery is a BMS, and they call it a smart BMS because it has a Bluetooth function where you can download a Bluetooth app for your smartphone. That app is called BAT-BMS. It explains everything in this owner's manual here, and I'll put a picture of what the app looks like on the screen. So it works with both Android and Apple devices as well. It shows you a capacity, a voltage, it shows you the amperage leaving the batteries, it shows you the voltage of each battery, it shows you a temperature of the batteries and the BMS. So this app goes over just about everything on this battery itself, so you can really maintain it and use the app while you have this in your golf cart. All right, went ahead and set the battery in place. So by using this battery here, you save a lot more space, as you can tell here. Perfect room for a DC to DC converter, maybe a charger, even a cooler with the amount of room you save here on the CHINS battery. So I've been driving already around town and filmed some here as well. Got it up to about 35 miles per hour so far. Just there. Let's stop. Let's take it for another run here. See how fast we can get on this run. I think I have the amperage set about 250 on the navitas. Guys seen that, but it was 35.5 miles per hour with this CHINS 51.2 volt battery, and the battery is only about 52% charged at the moment. I've been riding all morning with it. All right guys, so there it is. There's the CHINS battery. It's a 51.2 volt battery, 100 amp hour capacity, and you could probably expect between 30 and 40 miles of range with this battery.